the Moto G6 looks and feels like a phone twice its price. It has a large screen, a comfortable design, a clear speaker, and in the few weeks that I've been using it, there are no obvious performance issues despite its budget and processor price. I certainly have complaints and minutiae, but I keep picking it up and thinking, the Moto G6 is the latest in the line of Motorola MotoG smartphones from $200 to $300, which quickly became, and has remained, the most popular phone line of the company since its launch 5 years ago. Along with the announcement of the G6, Motorola also launched two variants, the G6 Play, which exchanges some features for the duration of the battery, and the G6 Plus, which adds performance and a larger screen. G6 and G6 Play are available unlocked and work in all major EE operators. UU Plus is only available internationally. If you are in the market for a phone under $300 at this time, you do not have to look much further,